How to neatly edge a sidewalk. If you have a sidewalk or driveway in your yard, edging is one of the last steps that you perform when cutting the grass. Edging is the process of creating a neat cut line along the edge of the lawn, which prevents the grass from growing over onto the sidewalk. Edging, typically completed using an electric or gas-powered string trimmer, is mostly for aesthetic purposes to improve the appearance of the landscape. Things you'll need: safety glasses, string trimmer, broom or leaf blower. Put on safety glasses and locate a straight shaft string trimmer. If you only have a curved trimmer, you can use it, but the process will be more cumbersome. If you are using an electric trimmer, plug it in and make sure that the cord is well out of your way to avoid a tripping hazard. Extend the line of the trimmer out as far as you can without hitting the plastic guard. In some trimmers, you will need to turn them on and bump the bottom against the sidewalk to extend the line. Stand on the grass side, not on the sidewalk, and turn the string trimmer so that the strings point up and down and are parallel to the edge of the sidewalk. Pull the trigger of the string trimmer and lower the string until it barely touches the edge of the sidewalk. Walk along the entire length of the sidewalk at a steady pace until you reach the end. Sweep the grass clippings off of the sidewalk back into the grass using a broom or a leaf blower. Tips: warnings. You can also edge a sidewalk with a handheld edger tool, which resembles a shovel with a flat, half-moon-shaped blade. Simply insert the blade in between the sidewalk and the grass and step down on it to cut through the grass. Repeat the process along the length of the sidewalk.